The first really valuable Facebook Page Insights feature is called Pages to Watch. You can compare the performance of your page and your posts with similar pages on Facebook. So what you want to do now is adding pages, fan pages of your competitors. Probably even know them. In case you don't know who your competitors are, then just do a very simple research using good old friend Google and, well, just try to identify the 5 biggest and 5 most relevant competitors in your niche market. Well, in this case, it's Social Media Examiner, Amy Porterfield, Digital Marketer, John Loomer Digital, and Online Marketing Rockstars. So what you can see here is the total amount of page likes, new page likes that these pages gained compared to your last week, then posts this week, and the engagement this week. Okay, so lots of valuable data. But now, here's why this feature is so valuable. If you notice a huge increase in fans or an unusually high engagement, then go ahead and check out what these folks have been doing. Remember, your competitors are not really your competitors, they are your partners and the best case study out there. So what you want to do always is studying your competitors. You want to learn from them. You want to learn what they do. And in this case, you can take a very close look at what types of posts they did and what topics they have covered. So if you see a drastic increase in likes or a drastic increase in engagement, then go to these websites, go to these fan pages and check out what they did. Probably there was something remarkable. So if you see something that worked, try to learn from that. Try to reverse engineer your process. Try to understand why a particular post really resulted in such a high engagement rate. And this will really help you to improve your business constantly. It will help you to craft better content. It will help you to, well, talk to your fans in a different way, and it will really help you to stay more relevant and to drive more free traffic to your fan page, because as we all know, the higher your engagement rate is, the more people you reach, the more people will basically land on your website for free. You won't have to pay for that traffic. So really try to understand why the fan base of your competitors is growing continuously and why the engagement rate is so high in a particular time interval. Again, make sure to monitor your competitors, add your 5 biggest competitors to that section and monitor them from time to time. If they gain new fans or if the engagement rate went up drastically, then try to understand what has happened on these fan pages. And besides that, if you're struggling with getting content ideas, hey, this is just a great way to get new ideas for new blog posts or new videos. Just go to these pages and just check out which posts get a lot of engagement. Okay? And then you can just craft something very similar. So Pages to Watch is a really great feature that Facebook Page Insights has to offer.